Hello students, this is your fourth video in relation to the chapter The Fundamental Unit of Life. Now in this particular video, we shall be studying about endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi bodies and the lysosomes along with the structure and functions. Let us begin with endoplasmic reticulum. The word endoplasmic reticulum stands for very small bag-like, tube-like, sheet-like structures found within the cytoplasm. Now basically, it is a network of interconnecting membranes that are thoroughly distributed in the cytoplasm. Now normally, the endoplasmic reticulum is basically characterized by the presence or absence of ribosomes. So that type of ribosomes, if they are found, then the endoplasmic reticulum is called rough. And if the ribosomes are absent, then we call it smooth. Now normally, the rough endoplasmic reticulum is found on the outer surface. Now, as and when we discuss with the basic functions of endoplasmic reticulum, the RER will help in the protein synthesis for the cell, whereas SER will help in the lipid synthesis. Now the proteins and lipids, whatever is synthesized on the endoplasmic reticulum, they are used for making the cell membrane. Now this process is known as membrane biogenesis. ER will also give internal support to the cytoplasm and helps in intercellular and intracellular transport of substances. Apart from that, the smooth endoplasmic reticulum of the liver cells will take part in detoxifying different type of poisons and drugs. Now coming down to the second cell organelle, that is Golgi complex, that was identified by scientist Camillo Golgi. It's a membrane-bound bag-like or tube-like structure found in the cytoplasm that remains in close connection with the endoplasmic reticulum. Now, while they are arranged inside the cytoplasm, they are arranged in stacks, that is, parallelly placed over each other. Now, this type of arrangement is known as cistern. Now, normally, whatever amount of Golgi complex are present, they are in close connection with the ER, thus they are helpful in the transportation process. Now, whatever type of Golgi apparatus are there, their main work is to store, modify, package and dispatch the different materials that are produced by ER. Lysosomes, they are also formed by the Golgi bodies. Components of cell wall are synthesized by the Golgi bodies, and the simple sugars will be also converted into complex sugar inside the Golgi bodies. Coming down to the last of the cell organelles, it's about lysosomes. Now the word lyso stands for lysis or destruction. Now they are in generally found in the animal cells, whereas they are absent in the plant cells. Now they have the destructive enzymes present within their body that are synthesized from the endoplasmic reticulum. Now, as and when lysosomes are present, they are known as the waste disposal system of the cell because they are responsible for cleaning the cell. any kind of dirt, foreign materials, bacteria, worn out organelles, whatever are there, they will be cleaned from the cell with the help of lysosomes. But the major function that will come down is relating to suicidal bags. Now, lysosomes, under any kind of physical injury, they come in contact with an infectious cell, they will release all the digestive enzymes within the cell. So those digestive enzymes are going to digest the whole cell and protect the other cells from the infection. Now, since they kill themselves to protect the other cells, that is why they are known as the suicidal bags of the cell. So this is the end of this particular session. We will proceed with the further part of cell organelles in our last video. Thank you.